There we go. We have covered more. Okay, this is really simple thing. Okay, it is just simple chain. Okay, two layer. Okay, here we go. F prime is equal to your. This is exponential function form, but base is not e but 3. So don't forget you have to multiply ln 3. Okay, and 3 to the power. You know why I do not write your exponent, right? Because that is second layer. Okay, we have to multiply ln 3. Now let me write your inside. Okay, 3x prime is 3. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, but like some of you try to simplify this one, but keep that in mind. ln 3 times 3 is not equal to ln 9. Okay, 3, like in ln 3, that 3 is belong to log, but the other 3, which is red one, is outside. Okay, there's no more simplify. Okay, and that's enough. What about e? That is also simple chain problem. Okay, f prime x equal to 2 layer, right? Power function, your power down and -1, which is 1/2, right? And then now let me write your second layer function with different color. Then you have to multiply the 1 prime. 2 times e to the x prime is 2 times e to the x, and minus 3 prime equals 0. And that's it, okay? If you want to simplify a little bit, we can cancel out 2, and that's enough, okay? This could be written by 3, 2 e to the x minus 3, 1/2, and e to the x. What I did is just cancel out these 2, okay? But like, depend on your problem. If it is the like free span problem, I don't think you need to simplify, okay? But like, you can do just simple calculation for number, okay? And what about f? That is also product, right? But only thing is your second function, which is log, okay? We're gonna take that one later, okay? There we go. So this one is first function u, and this part is v, okay? But keep that in mind, your second function log is common log, which is even like, it's omitted, but like your base is 10, okay? Don't forget 10, okay? So here we go. Now let's do the puzzle, okay? Your f prime must be equal to first one prime times second function plus first one times second prime, okay? Now let's try to find all the pieces, okay? My first piece is 1 minus x cubed to the 4. Then u prime, definitely it is chain, okay? Outside function prime, that's it, okay? Now keep that in mind, we have inside function. Okay, let me write this one. Then whenever you write your inside function, you have to multiply the inside function prime, which is minus 3x squared. That's enough, okay? If you want to try to simplify, you can do that, but just like in numbers, okay? It is negative 12 x squared, just reorder like this way. That's enough, okay? And or you don't have to do it, okay? What about my second function? It is log x. So keep that in mind. The base is 10, okay? What is b prime? It is 1 over x, and you have to multiply and 10 because your base is not e, but 10 for the log function, okay? Now we're ready, okay? Let's do the puzzle. U prime is here, which is negative 12 x squared, 1 minus x cubed, and cubed, right? And v, which is common log x with base 10, and plus we need the u, which is 1 minus x cubed to the 4 times v prime, which is 1 over x ln 10. That's enough. This is the answer, okay? And what about G? It is a little bit more complicated, but we can do it, okay? It is definitely product rule. And again, like everywhere, chain rule. Chain rule is everywhere, okay? So like e to the 2x is your first function, and square root of ln x is your second function. It's okay? So like, so we will do same thing, okay? Puzzle. Don't forget the product rule, okay? U prime v plus u v prime, okay? And pieces. U is e to the 2x, but keep that in mind. This is not simply exponential function, but two-layer function, okay? So u prime equal to e to the this guy, okay? You know why I pause here, right? And we're gonna write second layer function, then you have to multiply that number, okay? Then we can rewrite this one as 2 times e to the 2x. That's it, okay? What about second one, function b, okay? Let me write as the power function form, then you can easily realize like power 1/2 is your first layer, outside function, and ln(x) is your inside function, okay? Then we can do chain rule again, okay? V prime is equal to 1/2 and -1 because 1/2 minus 1, right? And there's inside function which is ln(x). Then we have to multiply, then 1 prime. That's it, okay? So now we're ready, okay? Let's plug in everything. U prime is here, 2 times e to the 2x times v. It is ln(x) to the 1/2, okay? Or you can just write square root of ln(x), doesn't matter, okay? And since it's product term, must be plus, then we need u and v prime. 1/2 ln(x). If you'd like to write this term as fraction form, it doesn't matter, okay? Anyway, like, this is the correct answer.